Hey guys, if you're looking for a healthy dish, we've got you covered. We will make a special steak recipe which doesn't contain any meat. Yes, you heard it right. We will make Gordon Ramsay's charred cauliflower steak with olive pistou and porcini mushrooms. So let's get cooking. For this recipe we used Kalamata olives, Castelvetrano green olives, mint, extra virgin olive oil, some capers, unsalted butter, cauliflower, harissa powder, salt, ground pepper, fresh parsley, red onions, but use shallots if you can, garlic, orange, lemon, and some fresh porcini mushrooms that we've picked this morning. We start by cutting the cauliflower. We clean the leaves and we cut the stem so the bottom of the cauliflower stays flat. Be sure to use the central part because the stem keeps it in one piece. We continue by cleaning the porcini. We cut the bottom part of the stem and we separate the cap from the stalk. These are the best quality you can get. We always use the whole mushroom. We scrape the stem with a knife to get rid of the soil and other impurities. Here, for example, you can see two different caps. The one on the left is starting to have spores, and you can differentiate it from the younger ones because it is starting to get a green color. We remove the spores from the cap with our fingers, gently without damaging it. We scrape the cap with a knife and we clean it with a damp cloth if is needed. Never wash them under running water because these amazing mushrooms are spongy and they will get soaked. That will ruin the flavor because they will get mushy and tasteless. We cut them in big chunks. We continue by cutting in half an orange and a lemon. When done, we clean and dice a red onion. For the exact amount, look in the description below. We continue by cleaning and dicing a few cloves of garlic. The Castelvetrano green olives are buttery and mild. They have a totally distinct flavor from the usual green olives. For this recipe we will use the well-known Kalamata olives too. We just get rid of the seeds and we cut them in half. Today we were lucky because we found some wild mint, so we will use that instead of the dried ones that we have. We just chop it up and we do the same with the fresh parsley. Everything is ready, so we start by preparing our fire. We drizzle the cauliflower steaks with olive oil and we sprinkle on top some harissa powder and some salt. We grill the cauliflower on both sides to get a nice charred color. Don't burn it. We add them to a pan, followed by the unsalted butter. We baste them with this brown buttery goodness. We add a cup of water to be sure that it cooks all the way through. We don't want to overcook it to be mushy. It needs to hold its shape when you lift it. The cauliflower steaks are done, so we continue by adding the mushrooms to the same pan. We season with ground pepper and salt. We give them a nice mix and we continue biting the diced onions along with the garlic. We sear them for a minute and we squeeze some lemon and an orange. We grate some orange and lemon zests and we add the olives, followed by the mint and the capers. One last mix and we are done. And this is how our cauliflower steaks look like. It is a very interesting recipe with fresh ingredients, and it is a good choice for those who want a meat-free, stunning main dish. It has a great depth of flavor, and we loved it. Give it a try and let us know what you think. If you like our content, then please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Stay safe and see you on the next one.